and welcome to another episode of Culterra's products. Today we're going to be discussing Kraal Manure and some of its uses, and I'm going to show you a practical application. Right, so Kraal Manure is made from, as the name implies, decomposed excrement, urine from livestock. So it's a great alternative to chemical fertilizers. It's a completely natural product and it's really rich in nutrients, so components that really add nutrients back into soil, especially soil that's been depleted. So that's exactly what we have here today. This is a greenhouse that was established a while ago. Some vegetables were grown, but it hasn't been utilized for a while. So the soil is likely not containing very many nutrients at the moment. So we're going to enhance the soil by adding some Kraal Manure. Now, Culterra's bagged Kraal Manure is already decomposed, so it's not like you need to mix it into the soil and wait at all. You can mix it in and plant immediately, which is what we're going to do. So the area you would like to treat with Kraal Manure, you're just going to spread it out and then mix it into the soil. You do want to mix it properly because it is very rich in nutrients. I've got a couple of vegetables I'm going to plant here. Kraal Manure is particularly useful for vegetable gardens and organic vegetable gardens at that, because it is a natural product. It also improves soil quality by enhancing aeration of the soil, and it helps to retain moisture. It can even be used as a surface layer, as a mulch in certain scenarios. Right, I think that's enough for here, and you're just going to dig this in. And once you're happy with the amount that you've incorporated into your soil, which will depend on the original quality of your soil, we're going to go ahead and dig some holes for our vegetables. Right, I'm going to add a little bit of Kraal Manure just on the surface here, not too much, just sprinkling it around, a few extra nutrients, and these will slowly leach into the soil and provide a natural fertilizer for my veggies. We've got some chives, some parsley, some beetroot, and then last but not least, I'm going to give them a water. And that's it for today. Thank you for joining me for another episode of Culterra Products. Culterra's Kraal Manure, a great solution almost regardless of what you're looking for.